Hello everyone, a warm good morning to all of you. Would like to welcome this session. We'll resume our discussion of previous year question. As you get 10 question in each and every video with our 100 question series, we are at the third session of our 100 series. So last time discussed up to question 20. From 21 we will start. Hope you already see the last two session. If you not watch, go and watch. It's take only few seconds, few times, so you can afford for that. So without delay, let's start our discussion. So Edward Edward Bernstein's approach is largely empirical, radical, and revolutionary. Option C, orthodox Marxist method of analysis. D, evolutionary. What is answer? Hope you able to provide answer. Option D is correct answer. So, Edward Bernstein's approach related to evolutionary socialism or within evolutionary or revisionism view of the socialism. Edward Bernstein belongs to the evolutionary view of the socialism. There are two dimensions, one evolutionary and the revolutionary socialism. It believe in democratic idea, believe on the freedom, but this side believe on revolution, that is orthodox Marxist socialism. Question number 20 talks about which article of Indian Constitution says India, that is Bharata, shall be a union of the state. As you all know, Article 1, option C, very easy question. So, deals with India, that is Bharata, shall be a union of state. So, one of the adjacent and region based question, you will ask, sir, in a SSB, no adjacent region based question? Yes, I will agree with you, but this question help us for our building conceptual understanding. So, let's understand. First, adjacent, a federal arrangement aim at reconciling freedom with unity and diversity of political culture and identity with a collective action. First statement कौन कहउछन्ति एठे ना इंडियन फेडरलिज्म बेस्ड ऑन यूनिटी विथ डाइवर्सिटी आइडेंटिटी कल्चर पॉलिटिकल कल्चर. Region India opted for a pluralist model or the nation building. So option A is correct, but option R is also correct. Now the second time, if you want to provide the answer of adjacent region based question, you have to ask yourself why. Just ask why. This statement or region India opted for a pluralistic model or nation building, providing correct explanation to the A or not. Just ask yourself. Yes, because pluralist model believe unity in diversity. So our answer became option A. Option A. Okay. Question number 24. Which of the following is not correct? Not correct. Planning Commission 1952. It's incorrect. Option A. Not correct. Ask not correct. Option is not correct. This was asked in SSB 2023. So here we will be agree with me how this paper help to all of us. Okay, because this type question asked in our examination. So Planning Commission in which year? Can anyone know? Planning Commission was in the 1950. I know, you all know. You are the smart. ARC 68. Just revise. Okay. Then National Development Council 52. National Development Council 52. Which month? August. This question also asked in your PGT Political Science Odisha. PGT Political Science Odisha. Individually they ask National Development Council. 4 option: August 52, November, December. So August 52 National Development Council. Niti Ayoga 2015. What is the month? 1st January. So Niti Ayoga 1/1/2015. How many question here? How many question here we understand? Total 4 question. Planning Commission 1 question. This is 1 and this is the important question. The favorite question of our Odisha and Niti Ayoga we already discussed. So in this 10 question series we will learn up to 40 concept. Okay. Moving to the next, match of the following. Okay, so they ask the question, the following basically are not correctly matched. Let me tell you, this thing already are correctly matched. This question are framed wrongly, so we should not attempt these questions. Then match of the following question again. 20th century Jacobinism, M. N. Roy. Voluntary property, Gandhi. Renunciation of Hinduism, Ambedkar. Integrated theory of evolution, Aurobindo. Do remember this concept, integrated theory of evolution, Aurobindo Ghosh. We'll discuss in our Indian political thought, or we have already I think discussed. Okay, so this is how the correct match you can match accordingly. So the correct answer is option B. Okay, so this is the different concept and Indian political thinker. They can ask the question correct or incorrect pair in our examination. So here we can get a concept voluntary property, Gandhi, and we have to remember the Jacobinism concept. What does it mean by Jacobinism? Go and search. This is your homework. Moving to the next question, question number 27. The year of enactment of which one of the following legislation is wrongly given? Okay, option A Special Marriage Act 54, Indian Succession Act 1960, Dowry Prohibition Act 1961. Do you think it is correct? Is it correct? No, it's wrong, and they asked the question wrongly. That is option C. Can anyone know what is the Dowry Prohibition Act year? It's the 1962. Okay, 1962 Dowry Prohibition Act 1962. Then Criminal Law Amendment Act 1983. Will not suggest to you remember all the factual information with regard to constitutionalism, act and regulation, but at least Dowry Prohibition Act 1962, Child Marriage Act. Okay, this few of the acts you have to remember, especially day year. Okay, and similarly your NGT. Okay, so can anyone know the year of creation or formation of NGT? NGT means National Green Tribunal. Okay, National Green Tribunal. It's a important body which created in 2010. Okay, and its headquarter New Delhi. Previous questions. Hope you understand. So hello everyone, would like to go to the question number 27. So question number 27, they asked the question wrong option, but the option C is correct. It's not wrong. Dowry Prohibition Act 1961, it's correct. I have recently checked it. I really apologize for that. Sometimes human error also can be done, because I am also a learner. I am learning with you. Hope you agree with my point. But correct answer is like Indian Succession Act 1960 is incorrect, because Indian Succession Act basically 1925. Okay, Indian Succession Act 1925. Okay, you can also mark a star as a star mark for the recheck purpose. Okay, so that is the correct answer here. Do remember Dowry Prohibition Act 1961? It's totally correct. Make it correct and please note of it. Then moving to the next question, question number 28, true and false. Okay, which statement true and false you have to accordingly identify. The question like the Indian army overthrew the Nizam of Hyderabad in 1948. Yes, it's totally correct. It's 100% correct. Accordingly, we can eliminate the option. So here eliminate, and option A true here mention. Option A will be our answer. But the option setup itself is wrong, because in Maharashtra, Satakari Sangha was formed in 1972. No, it's totally incorrect. Okay, it was formed in 1979 by Sarad Joshi. Okay, by Sarad Joshi in 1979 it was formed. So that's why B is incorrect, but none option mentioned the B is incorrect here. Okay, so if you go by this, then this is also not a correct frame. So accordingly, the answer or the question should be dropped. Okay, okay. So next question in front of you. Uh, Again, true and false too much question. Okay, option A, BJP basically renamed BJS renamed BJP in 1988. It's totally correct. CPI Marxist was formed in 1925. No. Can anyone know this answer? CPI Marxist was formed in 1964. Okay, not the 60, not the 25. Okay, then accordingly you can see the answer. So B option is, you can see, appropriate here. This one is true. BJP was 1980, and the CPI was not 25. That's why it's false. And CN Annadurai founded DMK in 1949. Yes, it's correct. DMK 1949. Okay. Uh, then this is how the option B is answered. Let me clear you one thing, why this question basically framed. Because right now it's a year of election, and you cannot miss such an important political party, their formation year and the founder. Okay, so can be expected in our examination of SSB, but at least we should know about the different political party, as we already study in our video that Swatantra Party, Swatantra Jana Congress, BJP, BJD, Indian National Congress, their year of foundations, the month, the former. Okay, so that need to understand, because election, this any kind of question can be possible from there. Okay, our objective is to understand the question framing in current year, and also we are going to prepare before our examiner how they are going to make the question. Then we will in examination hall make all and every question like a laddu question. That is our objective here, to tackle the questions. So moving to the next question, addition rejection based question. Option A, secular ideology of Indian state appear to be paradox in view of the deeply religious orientation of Indian society. Reason: Indian secularism was invented for integrating the multicultural plurality of the society into a common nation states, as well as for containing the potentiality of the imperial divide and rule and Muslim leagues to nation theory in British India. So it is also correct. ଏଠି କ'ଣ କହୁଛି ଭାଇ, ଆମର ଯେଉଁ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆନ୍ ଅଛି ଷ୍ଟେଟ୍ ଅଛି, ତ ସେଇଟା ଆମେ କ'ଣ ହେଉଛି ନା ସେକୁଲାରିଜିମ୍ ତ ଅଛି, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆମେ ଫର୍ ଦ ସେକ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଲାଇକ୍ voting or the ruling purpose, we are sometimes playing here the identity card, like providing reservation to certain sections, providing citizenships to excluding certain religion. Okay, so both are correct, and also providing the correct explanation. Option A is the answer. Okay, okay, so option A is the answer here. Okay, so thank you everyone for being part of this session. It was your is your third session of the 100 question solving series. Okay, we will similarly get or the rest 7 session. So kindly watch this session and show your support to me, because with your response will move forward and do such many more unique things. Thank you guys. Thank you being part of it.